Thank you so much. You're most welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Spice Diana. Irungo. Ekirungo kyekyo. Chika tuddamu chika. Ekirungo kyekyo. Ekirungo kyekyo. I'm very happy to be here today. Ate nga sirinze ka. I want to thank all the media personalities. Bonna abazze wano. TVs enjawulo, bloggers, YouTubers, everyone that has made it here. Thank you so much. Team Spice Diana Boda Boda, Spice Diana Nawe, my Spice Gadgets, thank you so much. So, first and foremost, I would like to thank Star Times for, we are very many artists in the country. Nayo Olonda Spice. I was very touched because I deal with the audience, I deal with Ugandans, and anything that is Ugandan is my thing. And people that watch all these channels, but now, this is where our music, content being part of this as an artist is something really, really amazing. And I'm very happy, looking forward to, the many months together with Makula Chika. Ate ebirongombi nasi bya kunoonya egamba wahitize jackpot. I'll do my best because I love what I do with so much passion. Because with Makolagana ni family and now Makula Chika is my family. And when I'm dealing with that, I don't do it like just business. It's family and it's part of me. When you see Chika, Makula Chika, just think about Spice Diana. Just like you wear that reflector again, because Spice Diana, you brand your borders Spice Diana, you wear it as Spice Diana. The same thing Makula Chika. Because now when you see Makula Chika, that's Spice Diana. In your channel, in Pia again about Kevin to Minji, about you recommend if you've seen me acting, because that's my other thing. Before music, I thought in Jakubera Muzanyiwa movies, and I'm happy that right now Sabolo Chikozesa and it's taking me places to do my content. So you never know, you might see some of my content Kumakula Chika. So you guys have been asking me about Beredene. So Phoebe, I'm sure you're here today. Okolab content, and you're very talented in that area. This is a very big opportunity. I'm happy that we have this channel. Please support it. And then we have an ongoing challenge. And I want you guys to participate. I thank all my fans, the Spice Gadgets that have already participated. We have more than 200 videos plus in just like 2 days. That's quite amazing. Remember, we have so much to win. Twina official video. When it comes to video, video so we never challenge you. We're gonna be a part of a video. We're gonna be an official video, and then there is free goodies to win. Twina TV set number and nene wait screen bwaguga. Omwanguza agenda vaawo naye zina buzinyi mazina kuka challenge kuli bara for Chika, and then you stand a chance to be, with us on journey, So everything I know is I'm just very happy to be here. This is a very, very big thing for me, Spice Diana Kolagana Star Times, such a very big company. You know what I'm talking about. So I'm happy that so expect so thank you so much, guys, and support the channel. About Makula Chika, the channel ebinyuma engambo entertainment oyagala manya ku Spice Diana bichi byaliko sibiri eri ebyokuvola abantu nedda bino bisengejjemu cause Chika yo is very professional. Thank you so much. Alice Nana Chendeseyo, maybe we can have a few questions coming in, but that's all I can say for now. Thank you so much.
Miss Uganda's, and then of course look at her. and Shirabo, the star that you've seen all over movies and all. Now, these represent just some of the key players you are going to be seeing in our shows and in the programs that you will be seeing. So there you are. It's a team of stars. It's in the company of stars. This is what Makula Chika is about. Thank you very much, Mutooro, Chirabo, and obviously our Miss Uganda representative. Thank you very much.
All most welcome to Star Times. This afternoon, we are celebrating the birth, not of Jesus, but the birth of a new baby. And most importantly, the partnership we have with our new ambassador, Spice Diana Makula. Without wasting time, because we started late, I will invite Star Times Vice President, Mr. Audrey Nsoga Senior, to give us his remarks, tell us about this evening, what is happening. For us, we don't know as media people. So, Mr. Audrey Nsoga, you're most welcome, and the floor is yours.
Thank you, Isma. Good afternoon, everyone. You are all welcome to Star Times headquarters for a very important event. Why are we here? Some of you, if not all of you, have been following and you know about a Star Times channel called Makula. As we speak, the channel which was launched last year is the #1 channel on not just Star Times, but one of the top 3 among Signet or free-to-air TVs. The success of this channel has been so huge. Channel eyagaddwa abalabi aba buli kika si wano wokka mu Kampala naye eggwanga lyonna okulyetooloola. Olunaku olwaleero emu ku nsonga ezituleese ye success ya channel eyo gye tuyise Makula, kubanga nate olwaleero ezadde omwana, oyinza ogiyita muganda waayo oba omwana, kisinzira ku bw'okiraba. Today we are launching a new channel which is a sister to Makula. The channel is called Makula Chika. I think it's worth celebrating. It couldn't have been possible if it hadn't been for the success of Makula. But now we think it has given birth to a new audience and we need now to grow even stronger. The reason we are here, even more than that, is because for this channel to be a success, it wasn't by accident that we called it Makula Chika. Chika kitegeeza the concentration is stronger, it's more. Mu abafumba oba balya ku mmere, buli bw'oyongeramu ekirungo ng'ofumba, era oli bw'alya agamba naye mwataddemu kaki, mwongeddemu ki? Kiba kirungo. Ekirungo bwe kiba nga kika n'emmere evuddemu, enveevu ezivuddemu, era okulya, era ogamba kye mwafumbisizza, kye mwatabuddemu kika. Ekika kya Makula kyajja lwakuba success ya channel Makula, the success I've just told you about, led us to believe if we can make that channel even better, then we might have even a better version of Makula, which is already successful. So we are launching a channel that we believe is adding more to an already successful channel. Spice Diana, Edolinya, Muyimbi, Mwebuza, kati Star Times in Spice. Star Times, we are in the entertainment business. We are in the entertainment industry. Our business is TV content. We produce content, we show content. That's where we make our money. That's our day-to-day business. Spice Diana is a musician, one of the top musicians in this country. In fact, as far as I'm concerned, the musicians in her age bracket, in her era, she has to be the number one. It's the only reason we went for her, because Star Times is the number one pay TV in the country. We are the leading pay television in the country. We command a market share of at least 60%. That's big, that's huge. What we needed is the leading entertainer who, as far as music is concerned, to make this thing work. Two of the best coming together to launch what we think is going to be a fantastic channel. Spice, kitegeeza kirungo. Those of you who have been following in the last week, you must have seen some things going on. You must have seen Spice posting some things, introducing a challenge. Today you were moving about, you saw the roundabout. You saw something to do with Spice in terms of her picture, but also a kirungo kyecho. So now start to understand the link. On the marketing side, we believed, how great would it be if Spice, nyini kirungo, lyerinya, nyini kirungo, yegatta ku ffe, naye ate ffe n'abeera ambasada waffe, n'atambuza omumuli gwa channel gye bayita Makula Chika. How about that combination? She's beautiful. She's a sellout. She appeals to everyone. She's funky. She's vibrant. She loves what she does. She appeals to everyone. Spice wagenda mbana bato mulaba bamuganira. Wonna wabeera. But more than that, Spice kyasinga the artists abamu abakyala. Spice buli wamu ajaawo akubawo ate abeerawo. Spice tayawula. Kintu lwaki ayagalibwa abantu ab'enjawulo ku mwana omuto ng'ono kuba nze musajja mukulu. Bw'abanga yategeera nnyo industry ne business n'akimanya nti bwe mba nga ndi mu industry eno abantu bonna n'ebifo byonna nina okubibeeramu n'embijaamu omwana abamba nkyaliko. Y'ensonga lwaki twasalawo nti buno gwe muli obusinga ogenda okutambuza ekintu kyaffe ekya Makula Chika. So today we are going to witness the official launch of Spice Diana as the official Star Times ambassador for our channel Makula Chika. We are going to sign a contract which you are going to witness. Henceforth, when you see Spice Diana, for you who is here, and please go and project that message. When you see Spice, think of Makula Chika, because Spice is what it's about. This channel has more than what has been found in Makula. So that is the reason we are here. We think it's a big deal, and I thank all of you who have made it. You are so many. That's the issue. Spice is big, and we are big. So we deserve this. We deserve this attention and coverage. So thank you very much for coming. And please, after today, go and tell people that this whole Makula Chika thing is about Spice Diana. And later, I'm sure, she's also going to give us a snippet into that beautiful song that she has come up with to praise Makula Chika. So thank you very much. Now I have to go ahead and hand over the microphone to my colleague, Kenneth, who is going to take us through this channel. So what exactly is Makula Chika? What's in it?
Thank you, Isma. Good afternoon. The idea of this channel started as early as last year, because when we launched Kazanyo Kazanyo, because they are both Makula. One is Makula Kazanyo Kazanyo, and another is Makula Chika. Now, when we launched Kazanyo Kazanyo, it peaked in the first 3 months and went in the top 3. We launched it in June, and by October we were celebrating success. So we knew through 2 sources that we needed to add another channel. One of the sources was feedback from the public. Very strongly, there was a huge feedback telling us what they were missing. Although this channel is good, but can you please do this? The temptation was to redesign the programming of Makula, and we said, no, that's not the good thing. If this one has been a success, let's keep it, but let's think of another channel to address the gaps that had been identified by the subscribers and viewers. And so, what are these gaps? Remember, Kazanyo Kazanyo is what it is, series after series. We don't have news, we don't have music, we don't have any other thing, we just have series after series. And so, there were gaps of people asking for, why don't you also give us movies? And there were genuine demands. There were gaps of people saying, why don't you also give us some comedy, some local comedy? And that is a genuine demand. There are also people who are saying, but we want some entertainment news. What most of you call Rambo or gossip. But it's entertainment news. So there were these demands, and of course more drama, that we needed to address